Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super timely. How to send ETH from Revolut in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know Ethereum is a big player, and with Revolut making things easier than ever, sending ETH can be straightforward. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Revolut app installed on your phone. Revolut has been updating its features for 2025, so updates might include enhanced security and faster transactions, always a good thing in the volatile crypto world. Once you're logged in, head over to the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by a little coin icon, so it should be easy to spot. Next, select Ethereum from your list of cryptocurrencies. You'll see your ETH balance right there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough for the transfer, including any potential fees. Now, tap on the Send or Transfer button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's Ethereum wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. After entering the address, you'll need to specify the amount of ETH you want to send. Revolut will show you an estimate of fees, which in 2025 might be lower due to network upgrades like Ethereum 3.0. Review everything carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a final verification screen. Use biometric authentication or your PIN for security. Once the transaction is processed, you'll receive a confirmation notification. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. And that's it. You've successfully sent ETH from Revolut. Remember, always stay safe with crypto. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.